Hey everyone! So, you signed up for Powtoon and you see this. Now what? It might be a little daunting to figure out where to start, but don't worry. We're going to talk about the basic ins and outs of Powtoon so you can make your own animated presentations. To start, this is your workspace. You will find everything you need to start your journey. And now you can start creating your own videos. You have the choice of going with a template, importing files such as PowerPoint, or creating from scratch. For this video, we're going to create from scratch. I think it's more fun that way. I'm going to click on the horizontal layout since it's perfect for presentations. Then you choose a theme for your video. You can't go wrong with any of these, but my favorite one is cartoon. So let's go with that. And lo and behold, you're in the studio. It seems like a lot right now, but there are a couple key features that we will highlight. They are the stage, slide panel, tabs, and timeline. The stage is where you'll be adding any elements you'll need for your video. You can edit text and move characters, as you will see very shortly. The slide panel shows all the slides in your video. It is very similar to PowerPoint and Google Slides in that you can view, add, delete, duplicate, and other features in your slides as seen here. Like PowerPoint and Google Slides, you can also add transitions. The tabs will show what you can include in your video. There are many categories of elements that you can choose from. Those include scenes, backgrounds, text, characters, props, shapes, images, videos, and sound. You can add any of these elements by clicking on the tab, selecting a category, and find the element that you like. Once you found the element you like, click on it to insert it to the stage. I will add the background, a character, and some text, and I'll be right back. I have added those elements, and now we shall look at the timeline. It is exactly what it looks like. It is a bar showing how long the slide is on for and how much time each element is on the stage for each slide. By default, each slide is given 10 seconds. You can increase or decrease that time by clicking on the plus or minus sign at the end of the timeline. Each element that is inserted onto the stage has its own time, and you can change how long the element appears on that stage. You can also see that you can add some transitions, like making the text fade in or making the character slide in onto the scene.